All right, everybody, here is your week 2 Thursday grammar language review. So let's take a look at your sentences. What type of sentence is this? It says, Susan, please clear the dishes off the table. So it's actually giving her an actual direction. So, it's an action that she has to do. It's very important. So if you look at the word imperative, it starts just like important does. And it also ends with a period. So that one seems like it's going to be a good one. Exclamatory would have an exclamation. So if you look at the end of your sentence, we do not have an exclamation. Declarative is going to end with a period, and it's just going to be a random statement, just a matter of fact, someone saying something. And then interrogative would have a question mark. So your best answer is going to be C, imperative, because it's very imperative and important that Susan clears off the table. For the next one, you're going to write your own simile using brave as a lion. Okay? And I'm going to use one of my kitties for this one. So I'm going to say, Teddy was as brave as a lion as he chased the stuffed toy mouse. So he was having fun, and as you can see, the simile that we used was as brave as a lion. So we are comparing Teddy to a lion. Okay? All right. For your next one, it has a sentence we need to check, and it says, me and my grandpa was going to Walmart to buy groceries for Mom. So there's a lot that I see in this one. So the first thing is you should always put the other person first and give them that respect. Okay? So you always want to put the other person in front of you. So let's move that over. And we're also going to capitalize the M in my, since that's going to be at the beginning. And since you're putting them first, you're going to say my grandpa and I. So you're going to change that around. And it wasn't was going, you were going to Walmart. To, this would mean in addition, so you're just saying to buy, well, that's B-U-Y, groceries for Mom. And because you are talking about your grandpa and your mom, if you want to capitalize the G in grandpa, if you want to capitalize the M in mom, you can. You don't have to, but you can. And then just put a period. So whenever you rewrite it, it should look like this. My grandpa and I were going to Wally World, Walmart, to buy groceries for Mom, period. And then if you can just go back and double check. So we moved my over, we capitalized it, we changed me to I. We're going to Walmart. Oh, it was this one over here. To buy groceries for Mom. Okay? Make sure you make those corrections. And then for the next one, we're changing the plural, the singular to plural. So with CH on the end of a word, all you're going to do is add ES. So Myrtle Beach becomes the beaches of Isle of Palms and Myrtle Beach. So you're going to add ES to the end. Lunch, okay, every fourth grader has lunch, but if you go to the cafeteria, they serve multiple lunches, right? So we're going to say lunches. Okay, if we have one peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but then your sister or brother wants bologna or turkey, well, we've got to have more sandwiches. So we're going to change that to ES. And then churches, a lot of us in the community live close to a church, but if you start counting all the ones in a 5-mile radius around you, you're going to have multiple churches, right? And then your last one It has dialogue, just like we've been using in class. Mom, may we bake cookies, please? Asked Jaden. Okay, well, here's the thing. Here's the question. Here's this random question mark. So the question mark goes with wherever the speaker actually asked the question, okay? So this should actually be a period. Change the question mark after Jaden to a period. Probably so. That looks good. Change the question mark after please to a comma. Well, that doesn't make sense because that's where the question actually is. Delete the quotation mark in front of mom. Well, that's the whole beginning, right? That's the whole beginning of it. And then make no change, no. So the answer is A. Make your corrections, guys, and just remember your quiz is tomorrow.